What is good? So what I have in front of me is the Shea Moisture Superfruit Complex 10-in-1 Renewal System. And these are the specific benefits from it, what it does: strengthens, shines, hydrates, color protects, age-defining, what it's for, what it can do. But yeah, and this right here, biotin, I was like, oh yeah. As you know, that's to help your hair grow and thicker and get that scalp like loving you forever, using that on your head. I don't have the shampoo for this, but I'm pretty sure it works well with it. I mean, get two together. I actually have a different shampoo, and sometimes I like to mix this with the deep conditioners that I have, or mixing it with the conditioners that I have. Like I said before, I love using two different products sometimes and mixing it, just because one conditioner might have this particular ingredient in it, and then another conditioner has this particular ingredient in it. So I'm like, okay, they're both great. They're both supposed to do an amazing job. It both helps my hair out. So instead of just using one, why not combine it? And in my opinion, when I combine conditioners, depending on the ingredients and what's in it, and it being natural, it actually makes my hair even softer. And I love this conditioner when I use it with the deep conditioner that I have. But yeah. But it smells amazing. It smells fruity. It smells fresh. It smells really, really clean. It doesn't have a heavy smell to it, like it's some conditioners smell, I don't know, kind of artificial. This one doesn't. And especially when you want to use it has a lock, so like if you're traveling with this, you can easily kind of like twist it and it'll lock. Just pump it like that, like if it's a lotion, and the consistency is not like lumpy or anything. It's really smooth, so it applies on your hair really easily and it gets really soft. And it smells good. Like it's like, it doesn't smell heavy. That's one thing I like about it. It does not smell heavy at all. Like you smell the fruit, but then you kind of smell like it's something that's supposed to clean your hair. Let me go ahead and twist it so you can see what it looks like on the inside right quick. And that's what it looked like on the inside, like a cream, like conditioner. I really haven't never seen any conditioner that's a different color than this. It smells a little mini. It works good with my hair, especially when I combine it with different conditioners. And another natural conditioner, like let's say if you have like a farmer's market by you, like something like with a health food store or something like that, not Whole Foods, which I'm not sure if they might carry, like how like big companies and then the ones that are like smaller. I love those companies as well because their products, I don't know, you can just tell like they put their love into it too. Not saying that big companies don't either, but shout out to the companies that are kind of like in a smaller version, because they are wonderful as well. I actually support companies like that. You can just tell that they put their love, their research, and what they learned and what's it for, kind of break down like what's this for, what's that for, the reviews of the people, and you can just tell because they have the word love in their products, or the smiles on their faces, or using your hands with the products. So, but sorry to get off track, but I love Shea Moisture. Long story short, I used Shea Moisture a very long time ago when I started to not use so much heat on my hair, and I wanted to kind of transition into my hair natural, and I wanted to figure out you know, what shampoo and what conditioner can I use that's natural? And I ran into this, and I've seen a lot of results of people saying, you know, how it works, and it's amazing, it works for them and stuff like that. I have another Shea Moisture product that I use as well for a specific reason, but right now I just want to show you another conditioner that I really love to use. But yeah, go ahead and try this one. I haven't really seen too many reviews on it. Some people have cons against it, but I really don't have any. I believe I used it once by itself, but even then it still left my hair soft, and I leave it on there for a while too. Does it have any directions on how long to leave it on there? It don't, but I comb this conditioner through my hair as I'm taking a shower, and I just clamp it up to my head so it gives that steam effect again. And then once I'm done, I rinse this off with some cool water and just wrap it back up, and it stays really soft. So go ahead and try this